So, today's hike, hi folks, heading from Hall's Head, Mandurah down to Seascape.
Summer Bay.
Near
Seascape.
Falcon Bay, something.
Over there, look, it's the distance.
Over there in the distance, from a distance. Anyway, mostly on nice little track. Dual use.
So just like,
Plenty of nice little surf conditions out today as well. Little easterly wind.
yeah,
Should be good.
lovely silvery view.
Mm-hmm.
At some point, the limestone was a kind of horizontal surface here, but with depressions between the dunes where the rainwater collected, and that dissolved down, created these kind of pipes that were filled up with calcium carbonate. It created this new form of limestone called travertine, where the lighter limestone was around them, that eroded away, leaving these pipes. Good reasons to use sticks when you're walking. 1, pushing yourself uphill, or pushing yourself faster on a flatter surface. Zoom zoom. 2, balance and weight distribution, especially when you've got a heavy pack on. Today's pack's probably about 8 or 9 kilos, but when we're on the Bibbulmun, it's going to be up around 15, like carrying a small child. 3, slowing yourself down on the descent. That helps the knees too. And reason 4 is also about the knees and the ankles. Shock absorption. It's been proven that using sticks takes some of that shock out of the ankles and knees. And that's especially important for people of a certain age. Reason number 5, on a long hike, I find if I don't use them, I start to get a strange swelling in my hands. And using the sticks gets rid of that completely.
Oh, a great little track. About 12k up and back. Stopped for a quick coffee halfway. See you again next time. We might talk about snakes.